In this video, we're unboxing the new iPad A16 11th generation released in 2025. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get right into this. So I ordered this straight from Apple. To go and get started on the box, we can go and find the pull tab, and you can grab it and then tear it across like so. And what we can do is go and open up the box just like this. There we can see we've got the iPad. So we can then go and slide it out like so. We can go and put the box to the side. So here is the iPad. As you can see, it's got a pretty thin box. And what we can then do is come onto the back of it. I'm just going to hide those details there. And then what we can do is go and use these pull strips and go and pull them across like so. One at the bottom, and then we've got the other at the top. I've now removed them, and I'll go and flip it back over like so. And then what we can do is go and lift the box off. There we go, and there is the iPad. So we can go and use this tab here to go and lift it out of the box. There we go. Just going to have a quick look at it. You can see this is the silver model here. There are different colors you can get, but I just like the simple one. Then here we've gone and got the leaflet with some information in. And then behind it, we've gone and got the cable. So you can see here, it doesn't actually come with a plug. So if you already have one for another device, you'll be able to go and use it. And this is USB-C, and it's USB-C to USB-C cable. So then here is the iPad. And then what we can do is we can go and peel this off. It'll come off the back and we can go and slide it out. And so then we can go and power it on by finding the button at the top here. Tap and hold. It's now starting. Here we are. It's now powered on. I'll just give you a quick look at the iPad. We've got the camera here, the Apple icon, and then the port at the bottom, of course. We're going to have a full guide on how you can go and set it up on the channel.